Lower vaccination rates are now fueling a surge in a disease that is especially dangerous to young children and babies.
In Kentucky, pertussis, also called whooping cough, has now claimed the life of another infant. And WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes live now with steps that you can take to keep your family safe. Todd.
Yeah, Mike and Sheree, a doctor at St. Elizabeth who has been practicing family medicine for years calls the increase in whooping cough cases alarming. Officials with Kentucky's Department for Public Health say they haven't seen this kind of level of the disease since 2012.
Robert Tracy, a family physician at St. Elizabeth in northern Kentucky, is very concerned about rising rates of whooping cough or pertussis, especially now that the holiday travel season is here.
It is alarming, especially since we haven't had a death since 2018.
That had been the case in the Bluegrass State until the last 12 months, when 3 infants were sickened by the respiratory illness and died. Health officials in Frankfort announced the most recent death yesterday.
It's kind of a miserable disease to begin with because the coughing fits can really be bad.
Tracy says whooping cough comes in 3 stages.
The first stage looks like the common cold, and it's just runny nose, low-grade fever, sniffles. And so you don't think they have anything other than the common cold. But the second stage is really the danger phase, and that's when they get into the coughing and coughing fits, and that's where the term whooping, it's called whooping cough, because after they cough, they kind of suck in air and it sounds like a whoop. It's such a preventable disease,
The 3 deaths in Kentucky involved infants who had not received a vaccine called DTaP. State health officials say the same goes for their mothers.
This vaccine has been around for years, and we have lots of data, and we know it's very safe. I think the hesitancy comes from just a general hesitancy against all vaccines. And it's important, especially if you have somebody that's pregnant, that the mother gets vaccinated, but also the father. Come get it now. It takes about 2 weeks for the vaccines to really kick in.
Now, you heard Dr. Tracy there talk about 3 stages. You had what appeared to be a common cold stage, then the dangerous cough, the 3rd stage, a convalescence period that can take a really long time. So it's a very persistent illness without question. Cincinnati's health department has seen 55 pertussis or whooping cough cases so far this year, up from 43 last year. So the rise is happening on this side of the river too. DTaP is the vaccine for kids. That stands for diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. The adult version is Tdap. It's a slightly different formulation. That version for adults is recommended every 10 years. For now, reporting live tonight, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.